That's what Christmas dinner looking like, guys. Curry mutton, pork, fried chicken, barbecue chicken, rice and peas, and of course there's a Christmas tree. Yes, pasta, mashed potato, vegetable, festive dinner. Yes, Jamaican family dinner. Can't wait. Can't wait. Can't wait to go down in that. So.
Bubble! Let's show them the dinosaurs. Detail. Guys. Guys, I have a gun. Look, guys, look. I'm holding. Okay, show you my one trick. I'll go show me a trick. Bubble! Go see it, guys. You can see it. Hello, guys. I have a car. Spider-Man car.
Spider-Man car.
It's special. I'm a shooting. Guys, I have one clothes. But I have a mama to change.
Yeah, you and mama come from.
And Auntie Sato. Auntie Sato.
Grandma.
With grandma.
Yeah.
With the grandma.
Pretty grandma. Me and my mama. Me and my mama.
Yeah, boy, yeah.
That's all.
Bubble.
Christmas.
Running go. No. Auntie Sato. Guys, I am Auntie Sato. Auntie Sato here. Look at here. And she make it up with over the yard.
To make it up over the yard.
And she have more ears. And she the Christmas tree here. And see me here. And uncle.
Alright.
Uncle. Auntie Shire, a film vlog.
So guys, I just reached home. Yeah, belly full and all of that. It was a good time to spend with family. I really enjoy it. Whole heap of food, talking, and just, have a good time. So I'll be doing a lot more vlog in this coming week because we have a couple activity to do as family. So I'll be bringing you guys along with me. If you not see everything we were up to for this holiday festive season. Christmas is over, but the holiday is not for us, and for a lot more people. So yeah, I hope you guys will be enjoying this holiday vlog that I will be bringing to you. So bye until next time. Bye until tomorrow. Come I try for vlog. I try for, even though I never do vlogmas, I try to put up a vlog every day. Try, I say try. I never say I go do it. So don't say I go do it. I say try. Alright, yeah. Bye.